Hi everyone, I'm Charlotte Bander. I'm the lab manager at the Bond Sustainable AI Lab, and you're watching the IWE in 2 minutes. I've set up an art engagement program at the lab where we collaborate with artists to bridge the gap between art and academia. And I'm really excited that we have Irakli with us here today. Irakli Sabekia has been one of our artists in residence at the lab, and he has created 2 artworks during this collaboration with us. So since we only have 2 minutes, perhaps Irakli, you could tell us and our audience about your latest work that you created.
So this latest collaboration with the Sustainable AI Lab started with a series of interviews with the members and researchers of the Institute. And these were conducted to understand what aspects of technology they are addressing in their work. We found many overlaps in our fields of interest, but we focused on the physical infrastructures that enable the digital technology. The result of this collaboration is a multimedia installation that addresses the physical infrastructure of the internet and the varied degrees of connectivity that it creates around the world. In the global network, the speed of connection between the 2 points does not necessarily only depend on the distance between them, but rather it depends on the quality of the infrastructure in between these, along the signal's path. And this in itself creates a pattern of connectivity that reflects a complex power dynamic that is involved in the development of the network. So this project addresses this property of the network by measuring the speeds of connectivity with various points in the world and then analyzing the results. It's divided in 2 parts. In the part 1, the audience can experience a sonic representation of the signal delay of the connectivity to different parts of the world. And in the second part, this data that is collected from this research is visualized in an alternative geographic representation of the world where the countries of the world are rearranged based on speeds and quality of the connection between them. So in this way, the Network Proximity Atlas creates a live map of the world based on connectivity.
Mm-hmm. Well, thanks so much, Irakli, for sharing this with us and with our audience. If you like this video, feel free to give us the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.